In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open your Discord app, and from here you want to hover to your profile and just select the user settings. Now you will see plenty of different settings and options right here. So what you want to do is go to voice and video and just scroll down until you find this section right here, the video codec section. What you want to do is to just disable this setting, this open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco system setting. You want to disable this. So if this method doesn't work for you, you can just enable it back. So the next method we can do is again scroll down until we find this section, which is the screen share. From here, you want to disable this first and second settings, which says use our advanced technology to capture your screen. We want to turn that off. And also this use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. Also, you want to turn that off. And again, if this method doesn't work for you, you just want to enable it again. So the next and final method we can do is to just simply uninstall and reinstall our Discord again. So I hope that fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.